Hey guys, and welcome to my back porch. Today we're going to do something completely different. I just thought, it's a beautiful day. Let's go outside and do this wig review. Now, I hope you enjoy this. Like I said, it's just something casual and different than I normally do. Usually I'm in the house and we have more of a little formal setting, but this is how I am, girl. Y'all, if you see me, it's going to be a pair of jeans and a t-shirt 9 times out of 10. So why not just do that out here? All right, I'm going to show you 4 wigs in 4 minutes. But now that 4 minutes doesn't start. You know how this works until I actually start showing you the wigs. Okay, first of all the wigs you're going to see today are from WIGS.com. And y'all, I just want to take a minute to say, know who you are purchasing from. Very important. If you haven't heard, and I'm sure you have by now, there is a price increase this month with Hair You Wear and Belle Tress. Now more than ever, be sure you know who you are purchasing your wigs from. They're expensive. I don't need to tell you that. Wigs are very expensive, and you need someone you can trust. You need to know their return policy. You need to know everything about that wig before you purchase it, and you can find that at wigs.com. They have ladies there, I have personally met them, that are wig experts. They know everything about wigs. They will help you from beginning to end, everywhere in between. So that is just my recommendation. There will be links to these 4 wigs in the drop down box below this video that have my discount attached to them if you're interested in any of those. So let's get started and look at 4 wigs I'm wearing right now. Let's start it off with Belle Tress Alicante Raw Sugar Blonde Rooted. Y'all, this wig, now all of these are similar. They're these little shorter ones, a little longer, but mostly they're going to be a little shorter styles. I like these in the summer. They're cooler. They're easy to maintain the fibers if they're not rubbing on your collar. I think this is such a cute style. And if you want to know more about these wigs, this is not a wig review for y'all who are new. This is just quick, fun, easy, fast. If you want to know more, just drop the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel. And if I have filmed it and reviewed it, it will be there. If not, it will be eventually. I'm working through them as fast as I can. But this one is so pretty. It has a lace front, of course, and a left mono part. And y'all, this is just throw on and go. Okay, so this is a more Terra and Blonde R. Y'all, I didn't think I was going to like this as much as I do. I really like this. I like the bang. This one is a little longer, as I was saying. A little bit longer, a little fuller, but what I like about this, number 1, I love the bang. Number 2, it has enough length that there's some styling options here. I actually did a styling video on this wig over on my Instagram. I put it in a low ponytail, which works great, a half up and half down. So this is a very versatile style. All right, for my ladies who do not like rooted wigs, this is Aesthetica Clover RH1488. This does not have a root. I know there are lots of you who do not like rooted blondes. Believe me, I know. I get tons and tons of messages. Y'all, I have no control over it. People are always messaging me, you need to tell them, you need to do. Y'all, they don't listen to me. I have no control. I'm just showing you what is available. So please keep that in mind when you're leaving messages for me about how you don't like rooted blondes. I wish that every style they made in a blonde, in a rooted version, they would also make in a non-rooted version. I would love that. However, that's not the case, and I am so sorry about that because I feel like everybody should be able to have what they want. But I think Aesthetica has upped their game, y'all. This is so cute. It has a big parting space here. You can move this part around anywhere. This is a fun, and again, perfect length for the summer. The fibers are beautiful on this. 10 out of 10, Aesthetica. Okay, one I am reaching for constantly, and I have already ordered 2 more colors. I want to try to make a little collection of this wig. I like it that much. Belle Tress Madison Buttered Toast R is this color. You hear the birds. They are really showing out for you today. Y'all, this is a beautiful style. I love the ease of this. I like the bang of this. It has a mono part and an extended lace front. There's something about the fit of this one that I really like. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. This fits me really well, and I love how it hits just under the chin. That's flattering on most face shapes. Y'all, this is a nice style. I think you're going to get a lot of wear out of this wig. Again, it's not rubbing on your collar. You won't have as much maintenance with heat on this style. I really, really like it. Okay, guys, that's it. That's my little wigs I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed just outside. I really wanted to give you a look at these colors in as natural lighting as I can, and this is about as good as it gets. And I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me some messages. Let me know. Maybe we'll do this more this summer. We used to have a back porch chat. We need to get back into that, but the weather's great. I want to be outside, and I thought this would be a fun time together. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.